3, 2, 1, fire! Go, go, go! Ooh, nice! That was fast! That was fast! In the middle, in the middle! Time!
Alright, that's 8, 9, 10, 11. What's that, 8 plus 5?
Yeah.
13. I don't see a third shot.
No, neither do I. Did you miss it?
I don't think so. I don't think I hit it, shot 3 times. Unless that's me right here.
Possibly.
Alright, so 7. 7, 8, 9. Let's see, 6, 7, 8.
This is LeRoy Phudd beginning his round number 2. Are you ready, sir? Shooter ready? Set. Set. Go. To the left. Run up. Nice. Okay, center station. He's getting some winded today. Headshot. Nice. Safety of the weapon. Okay.
Shoot.
No points on that one.
Dang, and I dropped the tape.
0. Oh, that's definitely better.
That's 2.
That's 10.
14.
14 points. Nice, that's pretty good. Plus 2 times 4, no, 2 times 2. Indeed, 7 points, okay. That's not too bad. Got 1 in there. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. Not bad. Okay.
Stand by. And 3, 2, 1, go. But let's stay here, stay here. Get back. Now go.
No sight.
15 seconds. Time! He had 11 seconds left.
Okay, so that's worth 1, 4, 3, 4 points total. 5.
Oh, nice. 4 or
3.
like 5, 3.
0.
No. I'm counting it.
3 plus 4.
7.
7.
5, 4, 3. Plus another 2. 2 pointers. That's 7 again.
Yep. Total. For that run.
3, 6, 9 on this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go. Oh, wait, wait. That target. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. 10 seconds. Time!
Do you have tape?
So we got 9 here. All right. Ooh, all right. 5, 4, 8, plus 3 is 11 on this one. All right, so you got that one. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3.
Okay, so this time, this is run number 3 for our 3rd round. We are going to run the 223 with the Vortex Strike Fire. See how that does. It appears to be centered on pretty good.
I think so.
We're going to give it a run and see how she goes. I'm going to tell you to start here. You ready? You can go kneeling or whatever you want.
I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Sweet. Okay, finger out of the trigger. Nice. Sweet. Failure drill, 2 chest, 2 head. Sweet, safety of the weapon, let's check it. Nice job, man. That was a nice run. You don't have as quick a target acquisition after that shot.
Nice.
There we go. That's not too bad.
Take it.
Yep, not too bad, man. So we got 5 and 3 is 8. We got 8.
No.
Oh.
9.
9. 9! Good job.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Go, go, go!
Oh, damn it, good there.
Move, move, move! Two body, one head. Two body, one head. Time. 4, 3, and 3. 10. 15. What? But then we only have 3.
Oh.
3 again. 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.